Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and if you love the look and feel of skins on your iPhone but worry about their level of protectiveness, you might want to check out this brand new product from the folks at RhinoShield. So the Impact Skin is the only impact resistant skin on the market. It absorbs 5 times the impact energy as compared to Gorilla Glass 3. It's fingerprint and smudge resistant as well as scratch resistant and comes with an excellent installer, making it very easy to get on your phone. Let's check out this product in a bit more detail on my iPhone XR in Coral. Looking at the contents of the box, we have the Impact Skin itself, and then we have our install kit. This one covers all the bases. We have inside here a microfiber cloth for cleaning your phone. Got to start with a clean phone. We have this little squeegee card here for removing any bubbles, and we have the all-important dust removal stickers. Obviously, starting with a clean phone is extremely important here for a successful install, so be sure to use your microfiber cloth to remove any dust or dirt or oils or anything like that from the back of the phone. You can also use your dust removal sticker to remove any errant bits of dust. Once the back of your phone is clean and ready to go, take the Impact Skin and look on the back. You've got this tab that's marked A. So what you're going to want to do when you're ready is to peel off the tab to expose the sticky strip that runs right down the middle here of the Impact Skin. And then you're going to flip the whole thing over and position it carefully on the back of the phone. The things you're going to want to be looking at in terms of fit are obviously how it fits here over your camera and how it aligns over the Apple. And then obviously you're going to want to make sure that everything is straight on the side. So when everything is all perfect, then press down in the center here to make this adhere, and then you're going to go on to the next step. Press down on the middle in order to make the sticky strip adhere. Next, what you're going to need to do is lift up the top half of the Impact Skin, carefully holding the rest of the Impact Skin in place, making sure that it doesn't slip, and then remove the plastic that covers the adhesive part, and then slowly press it down, making sure that you remove any bubbles in the process. Now repeat the same process for the bottom half of the Impact Skin. If necessary, you can also use the squeegee card to remove any bubbles, although I really did not have any need to do this. Looking at the results of our install, I think that everything looks great. As you can tell, we don't have any bubbles on here. Installation went very flawlessly, although as far as our alignment is concerned, it's a little bit aligned too far on this side, got a little bit extra space on that side, but this is really pretty minimal. If you are looking for it, you're going to notice it, but otherwise I do not think it's an issue. It's not going to affect the fit of the bumper on here. Bumper case is still going to fit very well. This product is of course compatible with RhinoShield's CrashGuard NX and Mod NX bumpers, as long as the Mod NX is in its bumper format and not in its full case format. It's not compatible with Solid Suit or Playproof though, so be aware of that. It's only compatible with bumper cases. So really nice fit on here overall. As you can see, really does not add much thickness at all, but is still going to give you that 5x impact protection. In terms of the feel underneath the fingertips, this has a nice textured feel, definitely gives you more grip, and it is fingerprint resistant as well as scratch and smear resistant. Got a nice fit here around our camera area. Everything is really quite precisely done here. And I think that the Apple logo cutout looks excellent on here. Just very nice. So let's check this out with one of RhinoShield's bumpers and see how it looks. For those of you that may not be familiar with this product, this is RhinoShield's Mod NX bumper. It's a bumper system that is basically the same as the CrashGuard NX when used in bumper mode, although if you have a mod NX, you can also use this with a back panel and then it turns into a full case. So it's one of those customizable case solutions. But when you are using this with the impact skin, you can't use it with the back panel. This is only designed to be used in bumper mode with the impact skin. So let's put this on here and check it out. Putting this on the phone is pretty straightforward. Just put on the one side and then clip on your other corners. Once on, you can see we got a great fit on the phone, nice protective lip running around the screen, well-positioned port openings. I think everything looks really excellent on here. RhinoShield is known for their excellent buttons. They're super clicky and nice. No issues in getting to your mute switch. Nice opening there. And we've got an excellent side button as well. Going to the back, I think we've got a great combination here with the impact skin and the Mod NX bumper. Everything looks wonderful. I don't have an absolutely perfect fit on here due to my very slightly skewed install of the impact skin. You can see just the smallest flash of coral down here at the bottom, but honestly, that's just user error on my part. Other than that, I think that everything looks absolutely marvelous on here, and I think that it still looks marvelous. You honestly have to be looking for it to notice this tiny, tiny line here of coral iPhone that you can see peeking through. Overall, I think that this has an excellent fit on the phone with this bumper installed. So you've got your 11 feet of drop protection with your Mod NX bumper. You've got your 5x more impact energy being absorbed as compared to Gorilla Glass 3 with this impact skin. So together these are really a very protective combination and very slimline as well. It gives a really cool look to your phone. You do have sufficient protection here for your protruding camera. I will say that your Apple logo is at some slight risk of getting scratched, but it does have the rim that runs around here, of course, because we have this bumper on the back, and you do have the protection all around it of the impact skin. So personally, I think you're probably going to be okay in terms of scratches. I really wouldn't worry about that a whole lot, but this area is unprotected as far as that is concerned, so be aware of that. This material, again, very good in terms of resisting fingerprints and smears, very scratch resistant as well, and as mentioned many times, very impact resistant. So I think that this is a really great combo. Checking this out in white just for fun to show you how it looks. There's tons of colors available for the Mod NX and CrashGuard NX. Lots to choose from. I'm looking at the back. Really cool look, gotta say. Really like it with the white. And again, this skin is called Concrete. Removing the impact skin from your phone is even easier than putting it on. Just take your finger underneath one corner and pull up and peel off. Perfect. Checking out another version of the impact skin. This is their matte black, really attractive. Let's put this on and see how it looks. As you can see, the install of the matte black went very well. Got really a pretty perfect alignment on here. Everything looks and feels great. Got a beautiful textured finish here on the back. Fingerprint and scratch resistant, as well as obviously all that impact protection that you're going to get with the impact skin. Just a very nice product. Almost no thickness added to the foam. Looks great. Great look here with the CrashGuard NX and our matte black impact skin. Really, really great look. Also got a great look with the CrashGuard NX in red with contrasting black buttons. That's one of the fun things about the CrashGuard NX and Mod NX is that you can switch out button colors as well as all kinds of other things. Very customizable cases. Got a RhinoShield branding down here. Just a really nice bumper case. And then looking at the back, I really like the black and red contrast here. Very striking. Looks great. Overall, I think RhinoShield has an outstanding product with its impact skin. You have the ability to absorb 5 times more impact energy than Gorilla Glass 3, fingerprint resistance, scratch resistance, smudge resistance, great texture underneath the fingertips. You have compatibility with RhinoShield's Mod NX and CrashGuard NX bumpers, and you have an excellent installer. Lots to love here with the Impact Skin by RhinoShield. Again, we've been looking at the Impact Skin by RhinoShield. This product is available for a wide variety of iPhones and select Android phones, and you can get it directly from RhinoShield as well as from other retailers. I will put links below where you can find out more about this product. Price-wise, we're looking at a list price of $19.99, but it's currently on sale for $14.99 on RhinoShield's website. There will be more finishes coming soon, but currently it's available in matte black, carbon fiber, titanium black, concrete, and white marble. Many thanks to the kind folks at RhinoShield for sending me out these samples to review and for sponsoring this review as well. If you have any questions about this product, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I will do my best to address them. And if you are interested in subscribing to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I have lots more great case and other accessory reviews yet to come. Again, this is Kristen at the Tech Reviewer, and this is the Impact Skin by RhinoShield. Enjoy your iPhone and have a wonderful day.